In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your Facebook account. If you're trying to get the process of verifying your Facebook account, whether it be your personal account or the page that you have, you can verify either of those. It's not going to be a very lengthy process, so let's get right into it. Open up your Facebook app first and then head over to the menu that you see on the top right. From this menu, just scroll down, tap on Help and Support, and then a drop-down menu will open up. Head over to Help Center. From the Help Center, just tap on the search bar and search for verification. Tap on the verification option, and here it's going to show you a couple of options again. Make sure you tap on the one which says request a verification badge on Facebook, and here you can see a few details about it. Now before you apply for the verification on Facebook, you need to be eligible for it. If you just scroll down, you can see all of the requirements such as authentic and other stuff, and you can also tap on see the eligibility option right here and view all of the criterias. Once that is done, you will see an option of you can fill out this form which is written in blue. Tap on this link and it's going to take you inside of a form which you'll need to fill in. It's not a lengthy form. So firstly, you need to select if you're a page or a profile. Select depending upon which you are. If you are a page, just select the page like this. Now before you have a verified Facebook account, you'll also need to verify your identity. So under document type, choose the one that you have, your ID, whether it be a driver license, your passport, or any of these options. Just choose one and tap on choose file and upload the photo that you have. Once that is done, the second step is confirm notability, which means you need to tell Facebook what do you do and what kind of audience that you have. So under category, select the exact category that you are. Select your country. So just describe what kind of audience that you have. If you are an entertainer or if you do some kind of vlogs, you can also type it in. Now lastly, you need to add in the link. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can add in your YouTube link. Profiles such as Instagram account, Instagram page, or TikTok page, you can also add in the links of it. Once you fill in all this form, you just need to tap on send. Once the request has been sent to Facebook, you'll receive a notification on your Facebook within 48 hours, which is going to tell you if Facebook accepted you or did not accept your Facebook verification request. So that's the exact process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.